Okay, so this is another quick update. This is probably episode, 15? There's like 2 or 3 in this week. We're getting crazy here. Anyways, engine is not there anymore. Like I said, I'm gonna remove it. These are the drive shaft. These are the hybrid drive shaft that will come with this engine. We discontinued to make them because we literally ran out of materials of the shafts available in UK for them. Anyways, I know it sounds strange, but that's true. Anyways, this is the engine that I removed, and I've changed my mind on the warning system. This warning is supposed to stay on this engine and then go. Is supposed to go in that car, and then we're supposed to sell it sooner or later, blah blah, and all that stuff. However, I thought that maybe it's actually better to keep this warning loom as a mock-up. I may put this on that engine or keep it on the table somewhere. I don't know. I'll figure this out. But I think I'm gonna keep it. The reason for that is because, I've sliced it out. I was working on this warning loom for a few days now, and we added a couple of options. I finalized a few ideas we had with Steve, so everything is ready. And because when you build these wiring looms, you don't leave these plugs. You use the plugs as a reference for what pin you need, for what wires you want. You use those wires, you cut them to the length, and you remove all the rest to make it everything nice and neat and all that stuff. In this case, I started doing that. As you can see, I've already removed this wire and plugged them in. But I thought, you know what, it would be good to actually have a physical wiring loom to show you guys when you want to do this stuff. I'm going to give the pinouts and other stuff, but shows you exactly what goes where. For example, on these plugs you can see, you can read the numbers clearly. But the moment you go on the ECU plugs, for example, yeah, the numbers are supposed to be there, and they are there. Trust me, they are there, but they're so tiny and so nearly invisible. It's very hard to get them. So for me to actually show you which pin is better. This one here, for example, is the oil pressure sensor. Is a pin number 22 on the plug C, I believe, or D on the ECU and other stuff. But it's actually good to show you and everything else. So I'm gonna just keep it this way. And from the loom, wiring loom, this was the first prototype, which is still good, still intact. I'm gonna make a nice and neat one from this to put it on this engine. Now, the other side I've changed my mind. Oh, the wiring loom. Again, wiring looms, I don't make them unless we build the cars here. So don't order wiring looms. I have no interest to do it. For anyone who buys the complete kit and all the stuff, wants to do it, I will release the pinout to where to connect what, so everything works as factory. As you see in the previous video, everything works on the dash and everything, so no worries there. We've done that. We already in the process to put a video together with Steve to how to assemble everything, the whole car, the engine, the pieces, and the wiring as well. Now we are already slowly designing all the stuff. My brother is going to be involved in this because I hate electrics. He's very good at it, so he's going to do it. We're going to have a complete new wiring loom that is going to be specifically designed for this conversion, for this engine, with those ECUs, with a complete set of options to plug directly into the MR2. All right, everything. The additional options, what I mean, is going to be the speed sensor for the ECU, so you're going to have boost by gear, you can have a launch control and all those gizmos and all that stuff, and quite possibly, even possibly 100% sure, we already worked this out, there's going to be a cruise control if you want to. You don't have to use it, but the wires are going to be there. And the other thing that I've changed my mind is this engine. Now this engine, back to me. Because now I've finished with the DSG gearbox, it's fully fitted, the prototype mount is there, the customer is going to keep the prototype, I don't need it anymore. So we go ahead and we're going to build him the whole system, the whole exhaust system, the boost system, everything, the whole lot. Then we have another order already, and I have to make both of them next week, and I have more stuff to build within the next 2 weeks. So within these two next weeks, I'm not gonna be able to put this engine in that car and sell it, so it's gonna be in the middle of the workshop somewhere. And I thought, you know what, it could be a good chance for someone to grab this engine if they want to, because this engine actually comes with everything fitted on. So it's gonna come exactly as you see on that. Well, actually more complete, because the whole exhaust is gonna be full, because this exhaust comes with, again, from standard, from the shelf, comes with 2 tailpipes. One free to use on the track or with no catalytic converter, and one with a catalytic converter. And it's just clamped with the V-band, so it's literally 2 minutes to change it. All 3-inch 360 stainless, TIG welded and all the stuff, you already know this. The boost system consists with the charge cooler, the mount for the charge cooler, the mount for the battery relocator, but you have to use a lithium battery, all the pipes to connect to the KO4 turbo, all the piping to connect there, all the fittings to put the sensors on, everything complete to put in the car, plug it in, everything works as a standard, off you go. So in addition to this engine comes with new shallow sump, new timing, new water pump, obviously new filter, new oil, new starter motor, new flywheel, and new upgraded clutch, and new breather fitment. These ones come with the plastic ones. Sometimes they give you problems, they crack, and all the vents go all over the engine, makes huge mess. Nothing bad happens if you know this in time, but again, you know, it could create a bit of a mess here. So this is upgraded already. New thermostat, slightly different, new water hoses. Well, everything ready to put in the car, assembled, dressed up, fitted to your car. It's just over £6,000. So good deal for someone if someone wants to do it, if someone buys it before I'm gonna put it in the car. So it's an option. So that's something I've changed my mind on. Another thing, a lot of people, but usually from America, ask if with this kit, this engine can actually run, they can leave fitted the aircon compressor. And I was like, I don't know, we never bothered with this, we're in UK, we don't need it, you know, you can remove a roof, I don't really need the aircon. But I guess some of the people, they want it, and the answer is yes, it fits. Because yesterday I was like, you know what, fuck it, let's try it. How long is it gonna take me to test it? 5 minutes, let's do it. So, there you go. That's your aircon compressor fitted, clears the chassis, clears everything, plenty of space for everything. The water pipe that is on the top there, it does not interfere, nothing is on the way. So yes, it does fit, and the compressor is very close, is there where the original aircon pipes are. So it's everything on the same side. Should be fairly simple to connect it. We're not gonna do it because I have no interest in that. But yes, there is a chance. This tunnel one fits. Does not interfere anything. Everything is good. So that's your answer. What else? I think that's it. Quick update. This is it. Now I'm gonna put this engine with all the quattro gearbox and put it there. Oh, this engine here, excuse me, does not come with this gearbox. This is front wheel drive gearbox, and because now we're only using all-wheel drive gearboxes to be able to use these fancy mounts on the back. These are the best ones. This will come with that quattro gearbox with a new upgraded mount, rear mount, because only the rear mount changes, you know. I'm not sure what it is because we have a lot of gearboxes. We're moving stuff around, we're tidying up. We was working on those two engines that 1.8. This is another DSG gearbox, but this is from the VR6. Yeah, gearboxes everywhere, stuff is everywhere. So yeah, mess because we're moving stuff. Why do we have a DSG gearbox from the VR6? No, I have not tried to fit a VR6 engine in the chassis yet. So I'll leave it there. All right. If you know, you know. Yeah, that's it. For now, that's it. I'll see you the next episode.